What's happening today, Rob?
The van is crossing 250,000 miles.
Where are we?
We're at Long Beach. We're cruising the roads here, so we can go nice and slow to make sure we get a good picture.
Just finished surfing for our 1-year anniversary.
Woo! So
What are we at?
We're at less than 1 mile to go. So no cars on this road. We're just gonna spin around at this parking lot. Hopefully we can get a good shot. So this video is gonna be a little boring until. Oh, there it goes! Ah! Get the video on it!
Look at it go.